Welcome to another video with www.damperwalls.co.za. Today we're in Parkhurst looking at a boundary wall where we stripped from the south to the north, and we've placed metal plates, and then we plastered and finished the texture to match the existing texture. As you can see, disappearing behind the ladder, we've still got the raw plaster drying. On this end, we've already started to put the fiber reinforced coating. The fiber reinforced coating goes down on top of a number of different types of sealer that go down on top of the raw plaster. It's got fibers in it, so it crack bridges and it stops the wall cracking. These are long-term systems, so if you would like your boundary wall to last long, reach out and connect with us and make it a lovely day.